Are your body parts free of your lines?
Yep.
Alright. Is your path clear?
Okay, Alan, what's your first command?
Alright. Are your lines
On belay.
Yes, they are.
Blaze on.
Proceed.
Climbing.
Climb on, Alan.
There we go.
Step over your left foot first. Good move. Nice move. Nice job, man.
Thanks.
Come on over. Get on this side of the way.
Okay.
Perfect. I spoke up like that.
Borrowing it.
Are you?
Yeah, it's Doug's.
Oh, cool.
It's like, I want to get some footage. I was like, all right.
I'll do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Not the first time, I'm sure.
Off the way. I gotta make sure I don't mess up now, Dave. Go ahead and go through those questions, okay?
I need to make one of these shorter first. Doug, may I proceed?
Are your hooks in opposite direction?
Yes, they are.
Are your lines different lengths?
Yes, they are.
Are your lines twisted?
No, they are not.
Are they twisted around your body?
No, they are not.
Ellen, you may continue.
Yep, obstacle's clear. Here we go.
Good.
Doug, may I transfer one?
Ellen, you may transfer one.
Oh, you gotta squeeze both sides. Nice. Different than what I've used before. Doug, may I transfer two?
Ellen, you may transfer two.
Thanks, sir. Doug, may I proceed?
Ellen, are your hooks in opposite directions?
Yes, they are.
Ellen, are your lines of different lengths?
Yes, they are.
Ellen, are your lines twisted?
No, they are not. Or,
You're good.
okay, I'm good.
Ellen, are the lines wrapped around your body?
No, they are not.
Ellen, is the course clear?
It is.
Ellen, you may proceed. Wow, Hopper.
Thank you. Do you have me? Ah!
Nice.
Got me trying to get hang and dangle.
Nice. What are you going to take, Alan?
Can I go this way?
Go either way.
All right, Doug, may I transfer one?
Alan, you may transfer one.
Doug, may I transfer two?
Alan, you may transfer two.
Thank you, sir. Doug, may I proceed?
Alan, are your hooks in opposite
Yes, they are.
Alan, are your lines twisted?
No, they are not.
Alan, are your lines in different lengths?
Yes, they are.
Alan, are your lines wrapped around your body?
No, they are not.
Alan, is the course clear?
It is.
Alan, you may proceed.
Thank you, Doug. Someone grab those glasses, please. Yeah, that's all right. I just can't see far away, so. Yeah.
Fine. You can see the rope.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Kind of feel your way.
You guys were talking about doing this blindfolded, right?
Yeah.
Well, I'm half blindfolded here now.
There you go.
All right, Doug, may I transfer one?
Alan, you may transfer one.
I'm going to be here until he leaves.
Okay, I'll hang out. Get it? Hang out.
Oh, I get it.
Doug, may I transfer two?
Alan, you may transfer two.
Hey, man, I'm just taking in the sights.
You got to come down here once.
I've never been 6'2". I've always wanted to see what it's like to be this tall.
Yeah.
When is lunch? Someone bring me lunch.
I think so. I think so.
James, how's it going?
I took a picture of you already.
Yeah? No, I'm getting you, right?
All right, you can do your 5 questions now.
Oh, okay.
Once you're done.
I'm gonna get Matt on the
Yes, we did. He released.
zip line real quick.
Am I in your way?
No, you're good. Do it. Doug, do I have Matt on the zip line?
I'm sorry?
Do I have Matt on the zip line with the camera?
Well, I'll have you on the zip line with the camera.
I know, but can you see him?
You want him? Well, I don't know how well we'll be able to see. If you want to turn that way, you might be able to.
All right.
Yeah, you got the start of it.
Okay. Doug, may I proceed?
You have to dip down a little bit more to get the rest of it
Okay.
down.
Doug, may I proceed?
Alan, are your lines in clips in opposite directions?
Yes, they are.
Alan, are the lines of unequal lengths?
Yes, they are.
Alan, are the lines twisted?
No, they are not.
Alan, are the lines wrapped around your body?
No, they are not.
Alan, is the course clear?
It is.
Alan, you may proceed.
Thank you, Doug. Okay, so the higher you grab, the more stable you'll get. If you want to challenge, try to grab the bottoms of the ropes.
Yeah.
Towards the bottom.
We got wires everywhere here.
Woo! Yeah, man.
The ones that weren't hard didn't expect, or ones that are usually pretty hard.
Man, oh man.
The one coming off the and the pole. There was no. Got it, thank you. You are in the wrong. Alright. Drop it. Zip clear. Don't drop anything.
Come on, Alan, you're almost there.
Yeah, I'm just enjoying the sight.
Take a breather. Just check. Holy check. Hey, I'm trying to do something here.
Wiggle his tree, wiggle his tree.
Something here. Small fee, we won't show that.
Doug, may I transfer? One? Yes. Doug, may I transfer two?
Alan, you may transfer 2.
Oh, James, now you got to go backwards and.
Better, huh? That's not gonna happen.
When I go across, I'll swing it back the rest of the way, James. Because I'll be able to reach it from here.
You might have lifted yourself, which is what I want to do. Class clear. Zip ready. Go! So, yeah, you can absolutely transfer.
Yeah? I think maybe you're on video now.
I'm actually remote controlling it from my phone.
Hold it as tight as possible.
Yeah.
Because if you don't, it'll catch you.
Okay. No flying like Superman on the zip line. You want me to fly like Superman?
You're not going to want to do that. There's like 5 feet of free play.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're going to go down. Somebody get caught really quickly. Have you done a course like this before?
Yeah.
Beautiful day.
Yeah, these rotator, I have a rotator cuff in my and
I'm good.
the other thing, I forgot about that until I'm looking at, oh yeah, well set. My doctors had me on medication, I can actually reach behind my back without hurting.
No, I mean, that was probably Got it, thanks.
One over here, the last one. It's Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi.
Zip clear.
It's just there's Wi-Fi and built-in Wi-Fi and the camera is in it, so it's Wi-Fi to my network at home or someplace else. I'm just going Wi-Fi between so I can actually
Chris check.
remote
Totally check.
That one. That would be. That one was not. Yeah. I wish I would have done the car than I wanted to.
Doug,
Yes, Alan.
may I proceed?
Alan, are your clips in opposite directions?
Yes, sir.
Alan, are your lines twisted?
No, they are not.
Alan, are the lines of unequal length?
Yes, they are.
Alan, are the lines wrapped around your body?
No, they are not.
Alan, is the course clear?
Yes, it is.
Alan, you may proceed.
Thank you. I'm trying to get James going down.
Pause clear. Zip ready.
Welcome. Gotta always clean up after James, right?
Someone has.
Yeah. How long have you been working here?
I've been here at the Nature Center for about a year now.
Okay, cool.
So before you step down, I'm going to have you transfer your clips from where you are down to the silver loop. We can do that just the two of us here. So you can transfer your first one whenever you're ready.
Okay.
And you can transfer two.
Wow, Ben, you're on camera.
All right, come on down.
Okay.
Feeling up for ziplining today?
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Okay, everybody, it's our tradition to greet the last zipper down at the bottom of the hill.
Uh-oh.
Down at the bottom.
You get the big hubbub.
Good. We'll get the whole group on camera, hopefully.
Fantastic. Did you like the course today?
Oh yeah.
Got it. Thank you.
How often do you guys open this up? Is it by appointment only, or?
Mostly by reservations. Occasionally we'll have open days where you can reserve like a half-hour slot to come out and try it out.
My wife would, I think, enjoy this.
Yeah, check online or our welcome center. They can give you the times when we have those open days.
I know she really wants to do zip lining, so.
Fantastic. Yeah, we have those even more often, the regular zip lines and our climbing tower. We even do a 7-part zip lining tour back through the woods.
Neat. Very cool.
All right. Zip clear. Clear. All right, go ahead and clip you in here. Change. Ooh, this is interesting. So, pop that out. All right. Twist check. Pulley check. All right, now we're going to take your lines off the cable and wrap them around your waist. All right, go ahead and take a seat on the edge of the platform.
A little bit.
Now, when you hear the word zip away, what I'm going to have you do is hold on tight with both hands below that stitching right there.
Okay.
And you're going to tighten to the best cannonball of your life. Arms down into your chest, legs up really high, and your arms are going to act like your shock absorbers because you're going to take about 5 feet of free fall on the way down before the cable catches your weight. So the tighter your tuck, the less of a whip you're going to take on the way down.
Cool.
And you're going to hold that position until you reach the yellow ladder, at which point you can relax, sit back, let go if you want to, and enjoy the rest of your ride. Allie will help take you down. Now, to get off the platform here, you're going to roll forward like you're diving into a pool from a seated position.
Okay.
And any questions?
Nope.
All right. Claws clear. Clear. Zip ready.
1, 2, 3.
Zip away!
All right.
Take off.
All right.
Yeah, buddy.
Hey guys. Trying to aim. Whoa.
Hey, step up on the ladder for me. You step up a couple more.
Yeah, that's gonna be